Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix whenever you press this power button in your Realme Note 60, it's not going to be appear power off on screen. It's going to be directly open Google Assistant. So in this video I am going to share with you how you can fix this issue. You might be recently bought this Realme Note 60 and you are wondering how to fix your power button issue. So in order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Realme Note 60 settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you will find here something says system. After click over system, you will find here something say press and hold power button. From here by default it might be Google Assistant. If you like to change it to power menu, you can choose here power menu. Now if I go back and now if I long press in my power button, we will see it's now appear to power off or restart my device. So within this simple way you can easily fix your Realme Note 60 power button. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.